What's going on, guys? It's Jesse here with Navac. So I'm here today to talk to you about the Navac training team. Now, some of you may know that we travel around the country and perform training sessions at distributors, contractors, and anyone else who actually needs it. We teach you proper process and procedures, but some things that you may not know is that the training team consists of licensed professionals that are both ESCO and NATE proctored. Some of our training sessions are actually NATE approved and do apply for continuing education credits. And as for the ESCO Institute, we've partnered directly with them to where we can proctor their exams as well. This includes the EPA 608, the R410A safety certification, and the biggest and best of all as of lately, the low GWP refrigerant safety certification. This is for your A2L refrigerants. Now, these exams can be proctored both in person as well as online. And if you want, you can reach out to us directly after attending a training. We'll provide you with the resource material to study for the exam, and we'll provide you with a date to where you can take the test on your time. Every tech in the field today should have at minimum their 608 license. So if you're a contractor or even a trade school and you're having trouble finding a proctor, then don't hesitate to reach out to us here at Navac. We'd be more than happy to help. And be sure to ask about our trade school program. This has been Jesse with Navac. Y'all have a good one now. We'll see you around.